IFTTT is a web service that enables you to connect social media platforms. It stands for If This, Then That. By linking IFTTT with PLEN Cube, we can increase PLEN Cube's ability. Let's have a look at the initial development.
Take a photo. And there's our photo. The photo that I just asked PLEN Cube to take was automatically posted with the text captured by #PLEN Cube. And now we can use this small photo printer to print it out. Then we press print. And now it should start printing. Here comes our photo.
Currently, we can send an email or photos. When you perform something using a certain tool, you can set up a setting of your liking so that another tool can be automatically executed. This is called an applet. In order to create an applet, we need to set the user's event, term trigger, and IFTTT's execution, term action.
Light on. Dim the light. Light on. Let me just wait a few minutes and the light will come on. Color loop. And now you will see that this lamp will cycle through the different colors that it's able to show. Green, and then blue, and then red. The final demo I'd like to show you is connecting PLEN Cube with another service as a trigger this time. So I have a to-do app here with one task. Finally demo PLEN Cube with IFT. The trigger is going to be when I complete a task, and the action is going to be that PLEN Cube will play some music to celebrate for me. I'm going to complete the task, and PLEN Cube will dance.
How was it? By connecting PLEN Cube and IFTTT, you can connect to a wide variety of services and gadgets.
PLEN Cube captures important moments in your life.
Coming back to visit the PLEN Cube office today, I'm really excited to see the progress that they've made. You know, great job, guys.
Smart devices.